a game called Don't Press the Button 2. So yeah, and this alien is throwing meteors. So yeah, this is the whole point of the game. Alien just throws meteor. So I guess a fun game. Okay, done. My God, how long? Okay, done. Okay, Simon says green. Oof. Okay, so guys, we are on green. Pink. Oof. Rip, dude. Simon says yellow. Oh my God, I'm funny shit. Simon says, please, boom, boom, boom. No, why? Oh my God, I'm spinning like so much. Oof. Oh my God, no, 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 no. Oof, oof. Oh my God, I'm going crazy. Oh my God, is that rainbow aeroplane? Oh my God, this dude and me. Oh my God, did I just lose health? That was scam. Let me click, let me click. Okay, this is the easiest in the world. How can anybody lose in this? Like, means like I can just go in 1 second. Oh my God, it's me! The statue of me. Look at me, good for me. Beautiful me. Oh, okay, like. No, how is he the button presser? No, I'm gonna press the next button. Yeah. Oh, what's happening? I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Hey, my statue. I cannot spin as a big dude. Oh my God, I spin as a small dude. Click, 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 click. Okay, I clicked it. Oh my God, Bob, Bob. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead, guys. Seriously dead. Yep, I knew it. Oh my God. Oh, I hate this. I hate this. This is the worst thing in the world. I hate parkour because I'm very bad at parkour. But as you can see, you have seen me actually. No! Are you kidding? I don't know why am I drinking this again. Let's feel it. Oof. Okay, click the button. Okay, click it. Why is he the button presser? I clicked it. My God, he jumped so high. Oh, who is that? That's Superman. I'm a big fan, dude. Oh my God. Okay, I get half damage if I'm not wrong. Oh my God. What happened? Hallelujah. Hallelujah. No way. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Okay, my thing lagged. With the baldy? Okay. Who's he the button presser when I press the button? Okay, I'm on yellow. I feel yellow safe. Please! Please, yellow. Please, please. Oh my God. Blues. I'm gonna blue. I'm gonna blue. I'm gonna blue. A smart coin. If it's blue, I'm so triggered. No, my God. I'm go Harley, Harley, Harley. My god, this is such a guess game which I hate the most. Yeah, I'm button. Dodge! Dodge! Oh my god, really? Dog the cats. I'm just smacking them. Get some. Get some. Click it. Click it. Not click it. Oh yeah, this is the balloon one, but yeah, thank you. Oh my god, I'm not able to jump scam. Oh my god, I hate this. I'm not doing this. I'm concentrating on pressing button. And I have a bubble gum. Oof. Just because you press a button once does not mean she's a button presser. Oh my god, it's baldy. Hey, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back, guys. How did. How? Nope. Nope. Not ready. Nope. Oh my god, why am I not able to jump? Oh, I went down. Yay, I won. No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Why my head? What did I do? Ooh, red criminal. Fire in the hole. Where the race? Oh my god, there, right? Please don't start spinning. I beg God. Yeah, I'm first. Yay! Okay, this dude and me like best friends. Oh no, oh no, 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 no. How did that dude just die? Fresh to home. You dude. Like, oh my god, piggy, piggy, piggy. You want me to play piggy, please tell, okay? I'm trying to turn on comment section my best. And ooh, wasn't a mummy pig? What a mommy pig. Spoiling the game. Hit myself already. Oh my god, if I'm not able to climb, I'm so triggered. No, please, I want to climb. Please, I beg you. There's a slide. I have to climb it. Please, I beg you. I begs. I begs. I don't care if I lose half it. Don't. Oh my god, I just flew off. Like, this game is the best. So guys, I'm going to just end the video because right, 15 minutes rule. So bye guys. Meet you next time. Bye.